Welcome to ersbit. Today we are doing the unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro. This one is called one thing only. It's just beautiful. So let's start the actual unboxing. I know that's why you're here. The new iPhone 12 Pro came in a smaller box. In fact, 70% smaller than last year's iPhone. Why? Ask Apple. They decided to not include any earbud or power brick charger. I was so mad at Apple when I heard that because this phone kept getting expensive. And now they decided to cut the accessories. Whoa, so satisfying. These are small things that makes Apple unboxing an amazing experience. All these small things, they make us feel happier. What a beautiful device. It's really gorgeous. Look at the level of details. Going back to the iPhone 5 design, and with this gold color, it's really beautiful. Don't take my word for it. Go to an Apple store and experience the new iPhone 12 lineup. It's truly beautiful. And the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max are the most beautiful smartphone of the year. Everything is well packaged, it's shiny, and it makes you think this phone is really special. It's not just a phone, it's a piece of jewelry. The camera, all made in this gold-like color, makes this phone really beautiful. You need to go to an Apple store and experience it yourself. I can say this design is better than the design of the iPhone 11 Pro. It's a little bit bigger in size. Apparently, from what Apple said, it's 4 times to drop resistant than last year's iPhone. But on the internet, some complaints already that it's less scratch resistant than last year's iPhone. There is a 4th dot on the back. It's the Lidar Scanner. The Lidar Scanner is what makes night mode portrait possible. And the design is made in such a way that you don't really look too much at the cameras. Last year's iPhone, a lot of persons complained about the shape of their cameras, the triplex camera, but on this year's iPhone, you don't really look that much at the camera. Don't bother to look what's inside the box. There is nothing special in the box. You have a lightning to USB-C cable and a pin to take out your SIM tray. One thing that I noticed after having the phone in my hand, you don't really think about the charger, the earbud, and the feeling that I have right now is almost the same as when I did my unboxing for the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. When they redesigned everything, that's the same feeling that I have for this new iPhone 12 Pro. So the new 12 Pro is not exactly the same size as last year's iPhone 11 Pro. As you can see, this is the case for the iPhone 11 Pro, and it's apparently the same size as the new iPhone. You can't even try to force fit it in, but you need to protect your device. Invest in a case to prolong the life of your iPhone. To get a chance to win this case, you need to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment about the new iPhones. Stay tuned for more videos about the new iPhone 12 Pro. Subscribe, like, and share.